Guys, have you ever felt like you're missing out on great sound without having to break the bank? Well, today we're taking a look at a pair of headphones that might just change your mind. These are the One Audio Focus A5 headphones, and you know what? These bad boys have been making some waves in the audio world. And you know what? For good reason. So stick around and let's explore what makes these headphones tick. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the Focus A5 wireless ANC headphones from One Audio. Now, if you don't know One Audio, well, they make a ton of different earbuds and headphones for all types of taste. Whether you're a casual listener, a commuter, a sports enthusiast, or a gamer or audiophile, they've got some cool gear to suit. Now, before I get into it, guys, I was sent these headphones by One Audio to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, that you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and let's start with the look and feel of these headphones. And I've got to say, the Focus A5 has a sleek, modern design that catches the eye. It's not just about looks either. Comfort is key. These ear pads are plush and cozy, which is perfect for those long listening sessions, whether you're on a long flight, working overtime, or immersed in your favorite game. These will not hurt your ears. And guys, the headband adjusts very, very easily, so no matter what size your head is, these are going to fit you. Now guys, let's talk about what really matters in a set of headphones. Of course, it's the sound, and these Focus A5s pack 40mm dynamic drivers. Now, in simple terms, that means they deliver some serious audio punch. The sound is well balanced with clear mid-ranges and crisp highs. And bass lovers, don't worry, there's plenty of low-end thump too. Now, it's not the kind of bass that's going to rattle your skull, but it's definitely there. And these headphones handle different music genres like a champ. But what about when you're in a noisy place? Well, you know what, guys? That's where these active noise cancelling headphones come into play. Turn it on and suddenly that noisy coffee shop, plane or train becomes your personal concert hall. It's especially good at blocking out low rumbles like airplane engines or office chatter. But here's the cool part. They also have transparency mode. So if you need to hear your surroundings, just switch it on. It's perfect for when you're cycling or walking down a busy street, or even waiting for a flight announcement, or just trying to have a conversation when you're in a crowded environment. Now guys, let's talk about staying connected. Well, you know what? These Focus A5 use Bluetooth 5.0, which means a rock solid connection. But here's something neat. You can connect to two different devices at once. So you know what? Imagine watching a video or playing a game or something like that, and then seamlessly answering a phone call on your phone. I mean, that's pretty cool. And speaking of battery, guys, these headphones are like the Energizer Bunny. You get up to 75 hours, 75 hours of playtime. And even with Bluetooth and ANC on, you're still looking at a solid 45 hours. And you know what? That is enough for a whole day of travel or a week of commutes. Charging is a breeze also. With USB-C, you know what? You just plug these in and, in a couple of hours, they're charged. And you know what? You even get a quick charge feature. Just 5 minutes of charging can give you a few hours of listening time. And that is pretty cool. Now guys, let's just geek out for a second, as these headphones support LDAC, which is quite a big deal for sound quality, for wireless sound quality, because LDAC lets you stream high-res audio over Bluetooth. Now, if you want to know more about high-res audio, it's not covered in this video, but you know what, leave me a comment and I can explain it in a bit more detail. But in a nutshell, it's like getting CD quality sound, but wirelessly. But guys, bad news, it only works with Android phones. So for us iPhone users, you know what? We kind of miss out on that. So guys, I have to say that the One Audio Focus A5 gives you a lot of bang for your buck. You're getting features usually found in headphones that carry a much larger price tag with good sound, effective noise cancellation, and a marathon of battery life, and a price that won't break the bank. These bad boys have a lot of good about them. So guys, there you have it. The One Audio Focus A5s in all its glory. These headphones prove that you don't need to empty your wallet for good sound quality. Whether you're a music lover, podcast addict, a gamer, a movie buff, or just need some peace and quiet, these A5s might just be your new best friend. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab these for around £60 on Amazon. I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to One Audio for sending me these very cool Focus A5 headphones to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.